Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Adobe Lightroom CC, the cloud version of Lightroom, with Lightroom Mobile so that you can use your custom presets across devices. I have an iMac and an iPhone X, so while everything I show you should be easily adaptable to all other supported operating systems, this is the combination I'm working with today. To be able to sync your custom presets across devices, you'll need to be a Creative Cloud subscriber. Check out the description for links to the 2 subscription types I recommend for you if you're not already a subscriber. First, make sure you're logged into the same subscribed Adobe account on the devices you use. Fun fact here is that you can use the mobile app for free, but you're going to need a paid subscription to use any version of Lightroom for desktop or to sync your content. Again, we're using Adobe Lightroom CC, which is different from Adobe Lightroom Classic CC. If you have new presets or you've downloaded presets before but you're not seeing them in Lightroom CC, you'll need to complete one more step to get any presets synced up. In Lightroom CC, click on File, then Import Profiles and Presets. If you've just downloaded a new set of presets, you probably saved it to your Downloads folder. But if you're looking for presets you've previously added to Lightroom Classic, you're going to find those preset files buried a little bit. So on a Mac, you're going to want to open up a new Finder window, then at the top of your screen, click on Go. Press and hold Alt, and you'll see a library menu item. Click on that, and once you're in the library folder, look for Application Support. In Application Support, find Adobe, then find Lightroom. Once you're in the Lightroom folder, find Develop Presets. You'll want to go back into the Import dialog and then drag Develop Presets over there and just import. Now that I've got my presets all synced up, I can access them from the side pane here. Click on Presets, and everything that I've saved will be available for me here. And that's it. You should now be able to access your Lightroom presets across your connected devices so that you can edit your images on the fly while keeping your style consistent. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time!